This Roborovski hamster first came to the clinic in a bad state. A loss of appetite, serious bleeding in the front leg, and severe dehydration were just some of the symptoms brought up. Evidently, swift treatment was required, but just how was this done? And what even was the situation with the front leg that led to the complete inability to stand or move? Stay tuned to find out. This is a Be Kind to Pets, veterinary educational video sponsored by Toa Payoh Vets, where veterinary medicine and surgery come alive to vet students and pet owners. This clip here was taken on the 14th of October 2019, Monday, day 5 of inpatient treatment. This here is a 1-year-old Roborovski hamster which had previously come to the clinic on the 10th of October 2019. Let us take a look at some of the complaints which were brought up that day. On the 10th of October 2019, Thursday, the young Roborovski was brought into the clinic with several complaints. For one, it had lost its appetite and was severely dehydrated. Additionally, there was also a wound on the hamster's left foreleg, which was bleeding. Moreover, the hamster was lethargic and had trouble standing. Upon further probing, the main underlying cause of the issue is the sharp edges of the hamster's cage. This could have resulted in the injury in the forelimb as mentioned, of which the pain and immobility in turn caused the hamster to lose appetite, as well as causing it to get dehydrated, for it was unable to crawl to and drink from its bottle. To treat the condition, the hamster was hospitalized to allow for close monitoring of its condition. It was also syringe-fed, a product known as critical care, which contains easily absorbable nutrients. Electrolytes were also added to the hamster's water, and its drinking was facilitated by the nurses. The main purpose of providing critical care and the electrolytes is to help the hamster regain some of its lost energy. Additionally, the wound on the left forelimb was also cleaned and dried. Fast forward to day 5, the 14th of October 2019, and we can see that the hamster's condition has drastically improved. For one, it has regained most of its appetite, and it is more energetic and active. While it still struggles to stand up on its own, it is able to walk for quite a bit when given some help. This was definitely not possible on day 1. Additionally, the hamster's stools are also well formed, and its dehydration has since been resolved. Unfortunately, the hamster's wound still has some mild bleeding, and it would thus be cleaned. Today is the 16th of October 2019, Wednesday, day 7 of inpatient treatment. The hamster's condition has dramatically improved since the first day, and it will thus be sent home today. Dr. Daniel, however, has informed the owner about how the left front limb of the hamster is highly unlikely to return to its original state, and damage to the nerves has likely resulted in some degree of paralysis. Fortunately, the condition just needs to be managed well by the owner at home, and the hamster would do just fine. As is clearly illustrated in this particular case, such injury could have been avoided if the owner had given more attention to the conditions of the hamster's cage and scanned the cage for potentially sharp edges beforehand. Unfortunately, this was not quite the case, but the owner did right in bringing the hamster to the vet as soon as he noticed the hamster's bleeding. The staff at Toa Payoh Vets would therefore like to urge pet owners to be conscious of their pet's housing conditions and to conduct checks on potentially hazardous portions before bringing your pet home for the first time, or when introducing new toys or elements to them. Should you notice your pet in a similar situation as described in this video, do visit your veterinarian as soon as possible to ensure prompt treatment. Do visit toapayohvets.com if you need more information, and once again, thanks for watching.